Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a friend who's making cupcakes, and so this is going to be a cool little way to package them. I'm going to show you it here. I'll aim you guys down a little bit so you can see what it is here. As I open this up, I guess there's no way to really keep it too neat, but here we go. So it's got, comes with the, everything's going flying. I have to pick it up because I have a dog who's going to grab everything. Okay, so we have here, we have our cupcake box. So we will fold it up there. And this looks like this is going to fold. And this here. Lots of folding going on. Going to be a little set. So that'll go into there like that. And this will go into there as well. So there we have that section going. And then we have these. And this folds down as well. Lots of different folding. Lots of folding to do. It's like a little origami. Okay, so here we go. So now when these fold up here, these will fold up and insert into the side here as well. And then same with on this side. So there's our little box right there. And then we have our insert here, so we'll take one of these. So this is going to be our 4 cupcake insert. And it looks like it'll just be for standard size cupcakes. If you have huge cupcakes, you probably need a bigger box. But there we go. And then these will fold down as you stick the cupcake in probably. So I won't mess with that right now. So it'll be like that. So you see there, our cupcakes are going to be well separated. And then we can put this down this way here. So it'll go into the sides as well. And then here we can clip it in there. So now we have a full cupcake box. So there's that. And then we would take a string. Let me see if I can get one out. I don't know if this is just one big, it looks like it's one big loop of string. So probably just have to cut it. So let's see. Yeah, so let's say I was to cut it at this length here. Probably don't have enough, but you could give you guys the idea. So here's that. I can wrap it up here. However it goes. I'm not great at tying boxes, but you get the idea here. So there's that. I don't know what I did. It's definitely not tying correctly. Okay, there. So we've got a little bow on it there, a little knot, and it crosses over there. And so now it stays closed, but then we can also stick a handmade with love sticker on it. So I can take one of these stickers and just stick it anywhere if I wanted to. If I wanted to just make it look a little prettier over here, I could do there. So handmade with love and thank you. So there we go. So there would be our cupcake box, and you'd have your cupcakes in there. And how cool is that? And it comes with a whole bunch of them here. So this is how it works, and it's a nice sturdy box. And you can have 4 in each one. So these would be great, especially like around the holidays now. If you're like making some, pumpkin ones or Christmas cupcakes or something like that and giving them out to your neighbors, you just get a whole set of these and give them out. So these are totally cool. I like them. Thumbs up.